Dear student, welcome to NIBS Home School. Hope you are doing well at your home. This is Ayesha Siddiqua Sara, Assistant Teacher of Arts and Craft at National Ideal International School. Today I am going to take a class for class 2 and today's topic is a clown face with color. So dear student, open your copy and ready to draw. It's very easy and funniest topic because you know a clown always makes fun for peoples. So we use first like you, just you. Okay, the English letter U. After that you will give a cap for the clown. Okay, then you will give the hair like this. And give the eyes like this. For looks funniest, you draw like this of eyes, nose and mouth. Okay, after that you will decorate the cap like this. Okay, this one is drawing. So dear student, look at this. Look at this eyebrow. I have drawn the eyebrow like this. You must draw like this. The eyes just use round and like this and like this. Very easy. And give the U and draw the clown face. So now I will brief you how I have colored the clown face. On the cap I have used just pink color and left the white places. And on the face I have used face color, and on the eyebrows I have blue color, and the hair is used red and orange color, and here on the color I have used here lemon color and the ocean blue color. It's a very easy topic and I have taught you very easily. Okay, I am teaching you very easily, so you must watch this video more and more time, practice at your home and draw it and color it. You must submit your SW every Saturday on your school basement at 9 AM to 3 PM. So dear student, don't forget to submit your SW and practice at your home more and more time. If you practice a lot of time, your drawing will be better. So my dear student, no more today. Thank you.